Are you wondering how to build your email list for free? This is what I'm going to share with you in this video. It's a 3-step process, and I'm going to walk you through each individual step on how you can actually build your email list for completely free and be able to give away your lead magnet and all this cool stuff. So the first thing you want to do, step number 1, is identify what channel you're going to post on. So you're going to create content. So it's either going to be video content, audio content, or the written word. So if you're going to create video content, you can do it either on YouTube or Facebook. If you're going to create audio content and you want it to be on like YouTube, you want it to be on Apple Podcasts and Spotify, you can go to anchor.fm and create a free account, and you'll be able to start uploading audio content there. If you were going to start publishing like the written word, you can do it on wordpress.org. So way I would go about it would be getting your hosting first. So the simplest way to do that would be going to CameronLimitless.com/hosting. It is my affiliate link for Bluehost, and I'll make a commission if you decide to go ahead and purchase hosting. So once you get your hosting, Bluehost, you'll see a one-click WordPress install. You'll just click that button and boom, it'll take you to the back office of WordPress. And here is where you'll be able to select either a free theme, or there's all different ones that you can select. Alright, so step 2 is once you've decided what your distribution channel is going to be, if it's going to be video, if it's going to be audio, if it's going to be the written word, the next step is generating over 100 different questions. So you can get 100 different questions generated at alsoasked.com and just type in painting or whatever your niche is. It'll be like whatever language you want to be in whatever region, and you're going to get all these different questions. So here people are asking about painting. What is the definition of painting and art? What are 3 types of paint? What are 4 types of painting? Should I learn to draw before painting? You see, you can answer all these different questions and create content about these questions that people are asking. How does painting unmask the artist's creativity? You can create a piece of content about that. Do you draw on canvas before painting? Why is painting easier than drawing? So there's all these different questions, and what you're going to want to do is build an influence building campaign. So here you can write in painting, then your question, and this would be on, say, the day's March the 4th. You would just go March the 4th, you would put in the question you're going to post that piece of content about, if it's going to be a video, if it's going to be the audio, if it's going to be the written word. And you would create this here out with 100 questions you would create your influence building campaign. So once you've created your influence building campaign, there's the third step is to publish content consistently. And you want to follow kind of the structure of inspiration. So you want to have inspiration, and you can really be inspiration by just being you and, being excited and the energy that you bring through. You want to be inspirational. You want to have content, so you want to deliver the content, and then you want to have a call to action at the end of every piece of content. So at the end, you're going to be given a call to action to go to your lead magnet. So your lead magnet could be, for this example, it could be like what we were talking about last week, which was the Limitless Money Hub. So you could say at the end of this video, just what I'm going to do here is, if you want to learn more about building your email list, if you want to learn more about building out an influence building campaign, if you want to learn more about getting more exposure to what you're already doing, go ahead and check out my top number 1 resource below. It's going to take you to the Limitless Money Hub, and that's where I'm going to teach you all about the limitless business model. I hope you liked this video. Have a great one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.